Hi friends, this is Oma. Now I am currently working as senior chemistry lecturer in Sri Gurukul Vidyalayam College of Science, Kasipugga town. Kasipugga Palasa town, sir, Srikakulam district, Andhra Pradesh state. Today we will see part 11 of structure of organic molecule, which is subtopic of general organic chemistry. Clear? In part 11, based on hybridization, we will see previous objective questions, that is JE and NEET. Clear? Shall I move? See, sir. Which of the following two, first bit, which of the following two ions have same hybridization? Same hybridization. See, NO2 minus, nitrogen atom, 5 valence electrons are present, 5 excess 1 electron is present. Oxygen atom forms double bond character. That means in multiple bond 1 sigma bond. So finally 2 sigma bonds, 1 lone pair, that is sp2 hybridization, NO2 minus. In case of NH2 minus, nitrogen 5 valence electrons and minus charge is present, that means it gains 1 electron. So each hydrogen form 1 sigma bond, so 2 sigma bonds present, 2 plus 2 4, that is sp3. Clear? Now NO2 minus already over, sir, sp2 hybridization. NO3 minus similar, sir, nitrogen 5 valence electrons 1 2 3 4 5. And X minus charge means what, sir? Excess electron is present. Each oxygen form double bond. In multiple bond, 1 is sigma bond. 1, 2, 3 sigma bond. There is no lone pair. That is sp2 hybridization. This is sp2. This is also sp2. Same hybridization. Our answer is second option, sir. What about NH4 plus? This is homework for you. NO3 minus is over, sir, that is sp2. NH2 minus also over, sp3. What about SCN? SCN minus. This is peculiar example, sir. Your central atom is carbon. Valency 4. But here negative charge not belongs to carbon, sir. Negative charge belongs to sulfur. That is important point. Nitrogen forms what, sir? Triple bond. And 1 electron forms single bond with S minus ion. Sulfide ion. Clear? Tell me, sir, hybridization. In multiple bond, 1 is sigma bond. So hybridization is equal to 1 plus 1. This is to the sp hybridization. In SCN minus, carbon atom undergoes dash hybridization, sp hybridization. So our option is second option. Same hybridization. What's up? sp to sp2, that is NO2 minus and NO3 minus. First bit over. Shall I move second bit? Yes. Hybridization shown by carbon and oxygen. Oxygen of OH OH group in phenol respectively. Okay. Hybridization shown by carbon and oxygen of OH group in phenol respectively. Options. First option sp2 comma sp2. Second option sp3 comma sp3. Third option sp comma sp2. Fourth option sp2 comma sp3. Okay. Tell me, sir. Please guess it, sir. Answer. Okay. Please guess it. See, sir. Phenol. Phenol means what? It has OH group present on benzene ring, benzene carbon. OH group attached to benzene carbon. That is called phenol. Tell me, sir. Hybridization shown by carbon and oxygen. That is what, sir? Carbon and oxygen. Clear? Tell me, sir. This carbon atom undergoes dash hybridization. Tell me, sir. This carbon double bond carbon atom undergoes sp2 hybridization. Okay, that is first option or fourth option. And what about oxygen? Oxygen of OH group. Tell me, sir. Oxygen. Valence is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It forms one sigma bond with one hydrogen atom and one sigma bond with carbon atom. Clear? Now, how many lone pairs are present? 2. Tell me, sir, hybridization. Tell me. 2 sigma bond, 2 lone pair, 4. That is sp3. Which option, sir? sp2, sp3. sp2, sp3. Fourth option. Shall I move? Okay. Third bit. In which of the following pairs the central atoms have sp2 hybridization? sp2 hybridization. First option BF3 comma NH2 minus. Second option NO2 comma NH3. Third option BF3 comma NO2 minus. Fourth option NH2 comma NH2 minus comma H2O. sp2 hybridization, central atom. Tell me, sir. This is central atom, this is central atom. Here also nitrogen. Tell me, sir. Central atoms can have sp2 hybridization. Very easy. This is homework for you. Tell me, sir, option. Third option. Please check it, sir. Here also sp2. This is also sp2. Fourth bit. Which of the following represents the given mode of hybridization sp2 sp from left to right, from left to right. Options. First option, CH2 double bond CH C triple bond N. Second option, HC triple bond C single bond C triple bond CH. Third option, CH2 double bond C double bond C double bond CH2. Fourth option, CH2 double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH2. Tell me, sir. Very easy, I think. Tell me, sir. We know that single bond carbon atom undergo sp3, double bond carbon atom undergo sp2, triple bond carbon atom undergo sp, as well as around the carbon, if two double bonds are present, that is undergoes sp hybridization. Clear? Tell me, sir. Which of the following represent the given mode of hybridization? First carbon sp2, second carbon sp2, third carbon sp, fourth carbon s. That is from left to right. Clear? Tell me, sir. This carbon atom undergoes, yes, double bond sp2. Nice. This carbon also double bond carbon sp2. This is triple bond carbon sp. Okay. And nitrogen. Tell me, sir. Nitrogen hybridization. Nitrogen valence how much, sir? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear, sir? It forms triple bond with carbon. Okay. One lone pair is present. Tell me, sir. Very easy, sir. In a multiple bond, one is sigma bond, remaining are lone pair, remaining are pi bonds. So hybridization is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. That is sp hybridization. sp2, sp2, sp, sp. Yes, this is first option is right answer. Clear? Remaining you have to check it, sir. Next one, next bit. Shall I move? In PCl5, there is fifth bit. In PCl5, P atom undergoes which hybridization? Very easy bit. First option sp3d, second option sp3, third option sp3d2, fourth option d2 sp3. Tell me, sir, fastly. Good. Phosphorus atom undergo PCl5. Phosphorus atom undergoes dash hybrid. Phosphorus valence how much? Which group? Nitrogen from nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Nitrogen valence 5. Phosphorus also 5. Clear? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each chlorine atom, halogen atom forms sigma bonds. One single bond. Cl, 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 Cl. Tell me, sir, hybridization. How many sigma bonds are present? 5, sir. Lone pair 0, that is 5. sp3 dehybridization. That is first option. Okay? Okay, sir. I can stop here. Tomorrow we will discuss some more questions based on hybridization. Thank you.